Hey, I'm Jay Thomas. Welcome to this week's edition of Hot Rod Hangout. We're looking at what's new at Rod's Hot Rods in Faithful Avenue, and we are oh so close to the big day.
The weekend of the year.
It's like Christmas for car guys and gals, right? Yep. This is the weekend in Saskatoon that you got to be a part of it. I really hope the weather holds. They're talking about maybe
some scattered here and there, but
that's disappointing.
But it's better than plus 35, I think. But
might be plus 32 on Sunday.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I heard, one forecast. Anyways, what we're talking about, of course, is Show and Shine Weekend, known as Cruise Weekend around Saskatoon as well. There's a whole load of events going on. We'll go over just a few of them while we got a second. Like, for example, on Friday and Saturday, I know there's racing at both SIR and Sutherland Automotive Speedway, right? So those are great things to do. On at least Friday night, there's going to be definitely cruising up and down 8th Street. People will be there. Our big show goes Saturday right here. So starting at 9 o'clock in the morning, we're gonna take you, we'll show you what's going on outside. We're gonna go for a little walk in a second, but 9 till 3, it is what we're calling Rod's Hot Rods 3rd anniversary open house extravaganza.
Actually open until 4, but the show is but we're technically open till 4, so.
Yeah, we're gonna sort of maybe take off a little early and get over to 8th Street. Hopefully. So come on by. What we're all gonna have is a barbecue here put on by We All Need a Rescue dog rescue group. They're fantastic. They're gonna have a tent set up. I think it's burgers and hot dogs going on outside. That's all gonna be taken care of. We got a live band, the Tone Cruisers. We'll go over that in a second. We've got swag giveaways. We have got enter to win a 2005 T-Bird. We'll show you that in a second as well. And hey, we're gonna do 10% off.
I was gone for a few days, so
I decided we're doing 10% off.
Okay, may not get paid for a couple of months, but we'll see.
Maybe, we'll see. Yeah. On one day only, so you find something in stock you like at Rod's Hot Rods, we'll talk about that 10% off. How about that?
You'll talk about it.
I'll talk about it. Okay, we're gonna look at 3 cars today too.
Yeah, we got 3 and we got a couple coming.
So what we want to do today is, it's going to be kind of a shorter video, but we want to take you to show you 3 cars. We want to take you around the grounds, and if you're going to come to our show, which we really hope you do, we'll take you where that's going to be. Other guys that are hosting stuff, of course, we got like Roland Steele, Darren, and Jen are going to be doing a big to-do over on Avenue C. Friends of ours, go see their show as well.
Competition Muffler.
Competition Muffler across the street. Sharp, you think maybe?
They did last year. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure if Sharp Auto Trim is in it or not.
There's lots of people.
There's lots of people. It's the Rock 102 Drive and Shine, which is all Saturday. You're going to be hearing it on Rock 102, all the places. They'll be live on locations and stuff like that. But that's a great thing. While you're doing that, stop on by our place as well. We'd love to have you for that. Saturday night, it's cruising 8th Street.
That's my favorite time.
It is the best time. It's going to be very interesting to see, because I've heard that they're closing the parking lot at the Wholesale Club this year because of the shenanigans that might have happened last year and the year before. So it's going to be very busy on 8th Street. And then Sunday is the big Show and Shine downtown, one of the largest outdoor car shows there is.
They're claiming it to be the largest in Western Canada, but that's not me. That's right. That's Rock 102 saying that.
Exactly. So it is one of the biggest. It's a great show. That's going to be kind of all day Sunday. People usually end up at 8th Street Sunday night after that. Yep. And I'm missing a whole bunch of stuff. We really encourage you.
Rock the River.
Oh yeah, Rock the River.
Which I'm going to Sunday. That's one of my favorite days Sunday, because I don't usually put a car downtown. Yeah. That's my day to go visit and mingle and have fun and talk to people and have 0 responsibilities. And then I go to Rock the River.
Who's playing?
Great White, all the Nova, the Box, and
is Starship playing?
Not on Sunday. There's another one though. I can't remember off.
Yeah, something good.
Prism's on Friday. Anyway.
Oh, I want to see Prism.
But there's 4.
I love Prism. Anyways.
So that's our kind of go-to on Sundays.
It's going to be great. So I'm missing a whole bunch of car show stuff though. What I'm saying is go to autoevents.ca, find the Shifters Facebook page, and you're going to see all the details with everything you got to know about this weekend. That's just starting it off with our list there. Okay, let's get the camera.
And the cars we're going to show you today, we're just going to have a quick peek at them, but we'll show you more next week. Then we can go in depth. We just got dropped off like literally 5 minutes ago.
Exactly. So let's head outside. We're going to go out here, and we'll start by saying this, pardon the wind.
Hi, Dallas.
Oh, Dallas is hiding out back there. She made the video this time. Let's start with a truck. Let's give...
Yeah, I just showed up.
Look at this.
53 Chevy.
Awesome.
Kind of the same as my Mater truck, but a little shinier.
A little shinier. That's right. 5 window. Nice interior.
The perfect cruiser.
Oh yeah.
He's had this to the lake. He drives it everywhere. Bluetooth. It's on a Camaro clip.
Yep.
Front clip, 12 volts. It's kind of neat.
Right on. Yeah, that's really nice. Right on.
Oh, we'll go in more depth.
Very cool. Very nice.
So this is where the band's going to be set up, right?
That's right.
Right underneath the tree.
So we're gonna put the band underneath the tree right here in the corner over where you're seeing the golf cart and our flat deck over there. We're gonna have things set up kind of that area for a big tent. The barbecue is gonna be going on as well. And there'll be some space up here in the front of the lot to just chill on the, you know, bring your lawn chair, come watch the band, that sort of thing. So parking, let's go over that. Right here, obviously, in the front of the building. That's where that's going on. And if we swivel over here for a second, we'll take you for a little walk. We got parking over here. So that's gonna be this section right along there. That's gonna continue down the whole side of the building, right?
On both sides?
On both sides of the building. I'll just walk you over there. So you're gonna find parking alongside the dog training place, alongside the building here, in the lot back over there, as well as the other side. We'll go around in a second, but our neighbors are awesome around here. Basically across the street, right over there, Simply Home and Leisure. There's extra parking along the front there. There's parking on both sides of Prairie Mobile.
As well as that's how you get down to the other shop.
That's right, yeah, that old...
Which will be open too.
That beside that big tree, we're gonna have people at the other shop as well. You can find it there. And even on this side of the street, a little further down, now we've got Can-Am Rubber right here. They're open till noon, but beside them is Pro Touch. You can see it, Pro Touch Engraving. They've agreed to let us use their parking lot all day as well.
And right here.
There's more space across the street at Prairie Mobile. And then we're gonna keep going down over here. So we got tons of room to put cars in. We want you to come on by and bring your ride in. Stop on by in your travels that day. So of course, we can fill this whole place back up here.
Usually along the side, it's all...
Yeah. We should get one side full up.
We have room to drive down.
Just gotta leave sort of the center open.
We're talking about getting a drone this year. We never did.
We gotta learn how to fly it.
Well, I got a brand new one in the box. I haven't learned how to fly it yet.
I don't think crashing it on top of a bunch of nice cars, it's probably not the time to learn how to fly it, hey? And then of course,
this will all be back here.
This is all gonna be open back here, so we got parking on both sides. You can go along the back, fill in the middle a little bit.
We can go through here.
Over there.
And then just walk around to the other side.
Yeah, absolutely.
See the plate on my truck?
Grandpa.
I don't even have any grandkids yet, but all the kids, I got 4 kids, and they all voted to call me Grandpa when they did have grandkids, or kids. So that's my nickname, I guess.
Grandpa.
I'm like, why do you call me that? They're like, do I have to tell you that?
Okay, in we go. Look at this. This is one of the cars we wanted to show you too. Now, we saw this before, but we didn't see it looking like this.
Way different.
Look at that. I just gotta get the camera angle right. Just nice and low. New tires, new
we lowered
wheels.
it about in between 2.25 to 2.5 inches.
Yep.
And the staggered rims, the 10.5 on the back, 9 on the front. The back tires were 315, so nice and wide.
You can just see poking in there. It's great. We've got the caliper covers, and the new springs, the lowering springs are red. Yep. So just a little bit of hidden red on an all black car, I think looks really awesome.
Black on black, yeah.
Black on black.
This turned out so killer.
It did. It just sits right now. It sits just absolutely perfect.
It sits how it should have been from the factory.
I know.
It sounded like a 4-wheel drive.
But you know what? When we brought it in, there was probably over that little lip back there. If I say there was like a 1/2 inch of clearance, that's about it.
That's the sweet spot. That's what you want it. Low as you can and still be drivable.
Low as you can. Rubbin's racing, right?
There you go.
So obviously that's a car that we're going to spend more time on another time.
Yeah, we've got to send a way to get a wheel alignment and a couple things.
This is going to be, Nashi's going to be on site selling tickets. You can of course enter to win a great lottery to support. And let's go see what's over here.
There's stuff off, I guess, again.
Oh,
kind of see here.
Yeah, just the back. There's our very own Reed.
We'll have to go talk to him. That's our dragster that we've been sponsoring.
Polishing his rod over there.
I won't even comment. Where's the other stuff?
Well, it's been moved out because Josh came over to take something out and bring something away. So let's go see outside what's going on. This, of course, is the other area we're parking in. Yes, the Beetle is going home. we wanted to show this off. Look at this.
58 Biscayne.
Oh, it's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Yeah, this is new interior. Paint and body's pretty new. We just put the wide whites on today. We can have a better look at it later, but just
absolutely. We'll just have a little dive in here. Look at that awesome two-tone interior, teal and light blue. Oh, it's a 4-door, but it looks great. We just put the white walls on. Nice. And this we wanted to see too.
Yeah, we'll dive into this one more too, but we got the suspension done, wheels and tires.
55, very classic, white and red. Awesome wheels. Oh, look who's just showing up. As if on
truck
cue.
Just came back from delivering a golf cart.
Yeah, as if on cue, hey?
It's always something going on.
There is. So, we got parking in here, we got parking over there, we got parking down the sides, parking in all of our neighbors around this place. So, come on out. It's going to be a great weekend. We're hoping that you can make us part of your stops as you're driving around on Saturday. What else?
I know a lot of people have been asking me. We got a 70 Z28 coming in. It didn't actually make it in for the weekend. We got too much stuff going on, so it'll be here next week. Okay. Which is good. And then we, tomorrow morning, we got that killer 69 F100 Ranger coming in. Oh. Like I said, this is probably in the top 3 nicest cars I've ever owned in my life.
Yeah, right.
So wait till you see that one.
Let's go back in here one more time. Maybe we'll just have a little look over here.
Oh, we should go talk to Reed quick.
We'll have this all filled up for the show. How's the polishing going?
Good, almost done.
So you get bugs on this thing when you go down the track?
Actually, yeah, I do.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, on the windshield, I'll get some bugs. And then right on the tip of the nose cone, I'll get some bugs.
Okay, so Reed, what exactly are we looking at? This is a
2004 Worthy rear engine dragster.
Okay.
It's got a 632 cubic inch big block Ford.
Oh.
Or a big block Chev, sorry. I'm a Ford guy. I was wishing it had a Ford in it. But makes a little over 1,000 horsepower.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing. And what's the division you compete in?
Division 6 NHRA Super Comp is my category.
Cool, cool. Well,
so what's your best time on the quarter mile?
Best time was in Edmonton the first year out. We went 776 at 176 miles an hour.
That's too fast for me.
Yeah, I think if I was driving that, I'd have to have drains in the floor
I'd
here.
I'd be whiffing my cookies.
Yeah, it'd be coming out the back end.
First
for me,
of all, there's no way that I'm fitting in there.
Yeah, I know.
You would fit.
Really? I'm not trying because we probably get stuck.
Yeah, let's put him in there and see if we got to get the jaws of life to get him out.
I had a guy, actually he's my uncle. He's about Rod's height, but about twice as big around. We got him in there.
No way.
He came right back out too.
That's amazing. No forklift required.
Nope.
Just show me where the start button is. It's all good.
Anyways, you want to come check a look at this thing. It's pretty wild. It's going to be here all weekend, so come check it out as well. Lots going on. Yeah, we can't say it enough. Please come on by. Come say hi.
Fun.
It's going to be lots to do, lots of fun. Food, giveaways, meet the staff, check the place out. We hope to see you sometime between 9 and 3 coming up on Saturday. Thanks for watching this week. We'll have more cars, new stuff next week, of course, when we check out Hot Rod Hangout.